Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn the Sermon at Benares together, step by step. Today we read the Sermon at Benares, which tells of Gautama Buddha and one of his first teachings. It includes the moving story of a grieving mother named Kisa Gotami and the timeless lesson the Buddha gives her about life and death. The chapter first tells how Prince Siddhartha Gautama grew up in great luxury, shielded from suffering. When he saw a sick man, an old man, and a dead body, he was deeply troubled. He left his royal life to seek the truth, and after years of meditation, he became the enlightened Buddha. A woman named Kisa Gotami loses her only son, and, mad with grief, carries him from house to house, seeking a cure. The Buddha tells her to bring a handful of mustard seeds, but only from a home where no one has ever died. She searches everywhere, yet finds no such house. Gautama Buddha is shown as a compassionate and wise teacher who guides people gently toward truth. Kisa Gotami is a mother blinded by grief who slowly comes to understanding. The villagers, every one of whom has known death, help her realize that loss is part of all human life. The central message is that death is a part of life and comes to everyone. Kisa Gotami learns that her sorrow is shared by all of humanity. Through this realization, she finds peace. The Buddha teaches that wisdom and acceptance, not endless grieving, lead to true comfort. Let us learn some new words. Sermon, a talk on a religious or moral subject. Enlightenment, deep spiritual understanding. Mortal, a living being that must one day die. And lamentation, loud weeping, or expression of grief. To recap, Prince Siddhartha becomes the enlightened Buddha after seeing the sorrows of life. Through the story of Kisa Gotami and the mustard seeds, he teaches that death comes to all. The chapter's gentle message is that wisdom and acceptance bring lasting peace. Great work! Keep learning with Vidya and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.